and thank you very much. This is a wonderful moment once again in the same move and understanding. Pineleaf Estates that brought all of us all the way from Nigeria to South Africa. I'm Dr. Kingsman Chikel, the coordinator of Pineleaf Diaspora. And here we are with the big man of God. We cannot have the idea, the Archbishop, a big man of God in the same mission for Pineleaf. And I would not like to say much because all of us witnessed what happened live and direct. So I would like to hand over the word to him to tell us his experience on this trip, this wonderful trip, this glorious trip, this miraculous trip, and this divine trip. Thank you.
Yes, greetings everybody. God bless you. Like Doc just said, I'm Archbishop Kene Don Ifepe, the Chief Prelate of Believers Full Gospel Vineyard, Toronto, Canada, worldwide. That means we're in Toronto and we're also in Nigeria. And I'm also the CEO of Miles Magazine International. Miles Magazine International. And I am here in partnership with the dream, the movement of Pineleaf Estate and Properties. That's what we are here for. Under the able CEO, no other than Archbishop himself, Onyeka Nzekwesi. So that is why we are here. He brought us all together. I flew in and joined the rest of the crew on this amazing trip. A movement of what you will say in Igbo land, Akụlue Ụlọ, which means if your wealth gets to your native home, it will say where it is coming from. It's a movement, a campaign to get Ndi Igbo, that is Igbo, people of Igbo, of the South and the Southeast, to come back. And of course, somebody cannot come back without their wealth. Even the Bible says that where the wealth of a man is, that is where his heart is. And so we have noticed what the people have gone through over the years, whereby they try to invest back home in buying properties especially, and they are duped, or one story or the other comes up to stop that. But that is what this trip is about, reaching out to our people to say, that is, stop crying, stop murmuring, stop weeping. Pineleaf have come to help you keep that wealth well. And we started from Cape Town. While we were in Cape Town, did a lot of awareness campaign meetings with clubs like Diamond Club. We came to with communities like the Obosi community, the Anambra community, the Enugu state community, different groups. If you are from the Southeast, name them, we touch them with a message. And also we came to Joburg now, where we're speaking to you from. We continued the mission with the Dynamic Club, with all the association, different ones. Even the church community has not been left out. It's been an amazing trip. It's an experience for me. I've been traveling for over 30 years, but this is one to remember. Why? Because it was under the leadership of a man with a vision, a man with a golden heart, a man that sees the wealth of others as his own success. We are not stopping in South Africa. We are moving to other states, other countries of Africa, Europe. We are moving into the North American continent as well. But this trip has been exciting. This trip has been quality. This trip has been a bonding time for all of us to bond as Ndi Igbo, bond as a people together and speak with one voice. So we are now on a mission to bring glory back to our people, a mission to bring joy, to bring stability, and to bring hope to our people. It's been an amazing trip for me, Doc. God bless the CEO. God bless all the team of Pineleaf, and God bless us that are partners and consultants on this mission. It's been amazing.
Great.